Make a great choice today with the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, 4-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.